Want a full ship tour on the Freedom Carnival Cruise, the fun ship. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and this week we're on the fun ship, the Freedom Carnival Cruise. Let's go, have some fun. Fun, fun, fun. This is what you're gonna see right whenever you come in. As you can see over to the side is guest services, a full bar with lots of drinks. Isn't that a beautiful sight? And they're also celebrating their 50th year. And then we have guest services is over to your side with a convenient ATM. Here's the other side of the boat, and let's go up. And you see those beautiful elevators? Well, we're about to take you up. First stop is the entertainment floor. We were just downstairs, and now we're gonna take you to see some of the casinos, bars, and entertainment nightlife. And now we're going on into the elevator.
Thank you.
Unless you're familiar with the cruise ships, you're gonna be always up and down this elevator. So all the nightlife, bars, and all the entertainment casinos are on floor 5 in this ship.
The Promenade.
The Promenade.
Okay.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. All right.
So over here you'll see they have jewelry stores on this level. They have shops. They have duty-free liquor stores. There's the fun shops is what they call it. Look over here. And this is where we were when we started, where the bands play.
Ooh, they even have a Gucci pocketbook shop.
Gucci.
All you ladies will want to go in there. And a candy store.
That's the cherry on top candy store. Look at a little cool cherry handle.
And they have mermaids over to the other side.
Right here. Uh-huh.
All right. And here we go. Those
All right.
casinos. If you want to spend some money, this is the place you need to go. Just look at all that right there. Look,
Wow.
that's a lot of money.
That's just in her sock drawer.
Yeah.
So, one side you've got the beautiful ocean. Probably can't see all the islands out there. On the other side, you got the casino that gets really busy at nighttime.
Oh, look at that sweet baby. All righty. Then you have another bar over to your other side.
Stage. There's a full bar, right? For the casino. On down the ship here, we got, what is this, a coffee bar? Coffee bar, look at that. And here's a little club. The guys usually playing like Jamaican music. You can dance coming in or not, it's up to you. What the? And that's at the Red Frog Pub. All right, going on down.
Good morning.
You'll find various seating that you can just sit and relax, look at the ocean, or if we're ported somewhere, you can look out at the islands. Here's the taste bar. And here's an actual arcade for the kiddos.
Here's my favorite, the 70s Club.
Here's the 70s Club. This thing is rocking at night. Got your dance floor, full bar in the back, and these oversized seats that you can sit on. Pretty comfortable. I didn't realize they had windows back there.
Yeah, because it was late whenever you were here.
See the cool mirror balls?
And the dance floor lights up at night, and we'll try to show you that too.
Yeah.
But here's a quick peek. Here's a quick peek.
All right. So coming on out, it's the Alchemy Bar. And here is a cool piano bar. And I do believe this has more than 88 keys because it goes all the way around. All right, so passing the piano bar, we'll get closer to the end here, and let's see here. Well, this is actually the International Lounge. This is where the comedians and everybody come and stand on stage. As a matter of fact, Tierney, this is where we did the karaoke that time.
Yeah.
We were in this lounge.
I was wondering where it was.
There's an announcement. And here's the Swing Time Bar. It's pretty big too. During the day, if it's a nice day, they'll pull this top off, open it up, and expose the sunlight. And at night, they close it up. And you got a Blue Iguana Cantina.
Burritos.
That has all kind of burritos and things of that nature. Ice cream bar, or station, I should say. There's many of those.
And welcome to the Lido deck. This is one of the biggest party decks. And they also have the towels out here.
So out here on this deck, you have like a tequila bar. Over here, you got your Red Frog, rum bar, yum. And you can sit out here and you can watch what's going on the big screen. On the Lido deck. Got you a cool water slide. The kids get on every second. We were down there on the Lido. Right here is what is known as the Serenity Deck, and it's for guests 21 and over. Get away from the kiddos. You can sit up here and relax, and they even have a hot tub. Hear how quiet it is and peaceful. You have these nice cabana chairs,
Which our friends call them eggs.
people sit here and relax, look out at the ocean. They got it blocked off on this side, so the kids that are playing on their little plaything can't get in. At the top of the Serenity Deck, they have 2 hot tubs. It's for adults only. Right at the front of the ship. Serenity Adults Only Retreat. 21 and over.
Look, they have the banana speedboats.
And here's where you can get on the water slide, Aqua Tunnel.
They even have a track that you can walk on for those of you who like to exercise while you're on vacay.
Or you can simply just go putt-putt.
Fun, fun, fun. Well, there you have it. That was a tour of the Carnival Freedom ship. Fun, fun, fun. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, and even your neighbor, so you too can keep cruising.